Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're getting into a critical topic in aviation safety, the hazard list for aviation technicians. This list plays a vital role in identifying and managing potential risks during aircraft maintenance. Stay tuned to find how it ensures a safer working environment for everyone in the aviation industry. A hazard list for aviation technicians is an essential tool that identifies and mitigates risks in aircraft maintenance. This detailed record highlights potential hazards that could jeopardize safety. By understanding and addressing these risks, technicians can create a secure and efficient maintenance environment. Identifying hazards in aviation maintenance involves structured methods. Using checklists is a primary way to conduct hazard assessments. Analyzing lessons learned from past incidents or accidents also offers valuable insights. Compliance inspections and audits further highlight risks that may not be immediately visible. Safety management systems, or SMS, play a pivotal role in aviation safety. They provide a structured approach to managing risks and ensuring safety procedures are consistently followed. SMS also emphasizes the use of personal protective equipment, PPE, and encourages a proactive attitude toward minimizing risks. Maintaining a comprehensive hazard list is crucial for preventing accidents. This list should be updated regularly to account for new risks. By documenting hazards thoroughly, technicians can take the necessary actions to address them, ensuring the safety of both personnel and aircraft. Let's look at some common hazards in aviation maintenance. These include mechanical failures, equipment malfunctions, and human factors such as fatigue or insufficient training. Environmental hazards, like adverse weather and handling hazardous chemicals, are also significant. Recognizing these risks is key to implementing effective safety measures. In aviation maintenance, staying vigilant is essential. Monitoring safety practices and improving them regularly helps identify potential hazards before they escalate. It's a team effort, requiring collaboration from technicians, supervisors, and everyone involved in maintenance operations. Thank you for joining us to learn about the importance of the hazard list for aviation technicians. By identifying and addressing risks, we create a safer working environment. Remember, safety begins with vigilance and a proactive approach. See you next time, and stay safe. Fly safe, stay proactive, and always prioritize safety. Until next time.